make a rose balloon, we'll need 2 balloons, using green for the stem and red for the rose. Let's start with our rose. Inflate it partway. Not that important, we're not using the whole balloon. Let's make 3 small pinch twists. So start with a small basic twist. Fold. Now for this first one, we're going to twist the nozzle into the twist here. That's 1. Let's do 2 more. Basic twist, turn it into a pinch twist. 1 more. Let's make a 3 balloon push through for the body of the flower itself. So right about there is probably a good distance. So let's pinch and twist. Fold. Now we're going to pinch here and twist it into here. One more basic twist and we'll push it through the middle here for our 3 balloon push through. So try and get it approximately the same size. Twist and push it through. That's your basic rose right there, and let's trim off the rest. Now see, I have a little bit of uninflated end here. We're just going to trim there. We're going to create some slack and trim. If you have a longer uninflated end, you can just cut there and it will be short. Tie it off. Now let's make our stem. Just as we did with the rose, we're going to make 3 small pinch twists. Now we're going to attach the rose to the stem. The reason why we didn't cut this off is because we're going to use this to attach here. So just place your rose on top and then wind this around the pinch twist. And you can cut off the excess or you can keep winding till you have none left. Let's make our swan. Inflate this one to about 3 inches from the end. We're going to start with a pinch twist. So make a basic twist. I'm holding the nozzle here. I have a twist here. We're going to twist the nozzle into here and just spin here. There's the pinch twist. Swan balloon is unusual. Turn it into a loop here. The uninflated end here will act as the beak of your swan. I like to think of the swan in thirds here. About a third will be the neck, the other 2/3 will be the body. So right about there is probably a good place. Let's twist this into here. Now find the midpoint and just offset it a bit. Twist this into here. I like to twist the larger of the two in half. Then you feed the larger one here through the center of this one here. Now to finish your swan, you want to curl this up. So hold here at the beak and curl. Got your rose and your swan. Just feed your stem through the middle of the swan here. And there's a swan and rose balloon.